Hi again, everybody. Monday morning, August 7th, 2023. Here's the Astro Excel chart for the month ahead starting today on August 7th. You can see we dip down. We make a green line low here on the 9th at about 3 a.m. We're pushing then trend pressure upward until we peak here, 8:13 at 1400. Move back down into the 15th till around 12 noon, back up to a peak on the 18th at around midnight, where we kind of flatline for about 16 hours and then start down. We've got a big, strong, steep push down here that goes until it bottoms out here on 821 around 2200 hours and almost gets down to the minus 40 level. That is an important downward pressure swing right there. And then we have just the mirror image on the push back up then, which peaks out on the 24th at 1500 hours. Then we come back down, get inside the 10 lines for a while. We've got up and down through the area of the 26th, 28th, bottoming out on the 29th. A peak on the 30th here about 7 a.m. And then we push down into early September, where we bottom out here on 9.2 at the minus 20 line and then push back up above zero and then into the plus area on 9.4. That's a look at the month ahead for general trend. The two most important points are these swings here in the middle that I mentioned from this area here on the 18th down to the low on the 21st and back up to the 24th. We've got this area where we're at plus 20 down to about minus 40 back to plus 20. Strong move on the green line. That's significant pressure on this particular chart. Moving up on this Excel sheet is the week ahead here. You can see from 8/7 starting today. You can see the smaller version of that green line, blue line. The blue line are going to give you the spike peaks. You can look at this video and see approximately where these peaks and valleys are. The most important ones are the ones that get outside of the plus 10 and minus 10 line. This particular tool, this Excel calculator, will also give 2-hour windows. You can pick any particular 2-hour frame you want to look at. You'll be able to see the gray line up close, which we don't look at the gray line on the bigger picture. The gray line is more for the intraday, so you can lock in and dial into 2-hour segments, and you can change that. Let's say I want to just go to look at the day session open. You can just use the pull down tab to pull you down to start looking at this, at 9 or 9:30, whatever you want to do. It'll quickly change. It'll give you the key peaks and valleys on the gray line in that 2-hour window, and a lot of times the market will follow this path and follow these swings. So you can flip that every 2 hours as the day goes by. And then we have the 12-hour chart. This is the afternoon chart. It goes from 10 o'clock to midnight. Then we have the morning chart. It goes from midnight to 1300 or 1 o'clock. And then we have the chart for the day, which gives you the full 24 hours with the gray, green, and blue line. And this is the main pull down tab here where you can select the start date, and it'll plot this particular date and also adjust the weekly, monthly, and everything else. So if I want to take a look at tomorrow, I just click on the date of 8/8/2023, and you can see it quickly change and gives me the blue, green, and gray line pressure for the day. So overall, good tool. You get this with the Storm book. So along with the Ninja chart, you also have the calculator to be able to get all these pressure points